It's pretty obvious, but the AI job market now is booming. Every month, I see more and more job roles come up, and I also see more and more people wanting to become AI engineers. But the question stands, where do you start? Well, in this video, I reviewed over 27 AI engineering courses, and I want to give you my top 4 that will set you up nicely to become an AI engineer. Let's get into it. When picking these top 4 courses, I evaluated them based on 3 things. The first one is alignment. So do they teach you the exact skills that AI engineers actually use day to day? The second point is interaction. So this is about the hands-on experience they give you, projects, and the teaching quality. And finally, it's about value. So is the investment and price worth it? Each of these I rated from 0 to 5. And in a nutshell, what I was after is courses that were pretty much taught you exactly what AI engineers do. The thing is, many courses nowadays kind of get the AI engineer and machine learning engineer job a little bit confused. Machine learning engineering is a lot more theoretical, a lot more maths heavy, whereas AI engineers are basically software developers or software engineers with an AI specialism. So as an AI engineer, you don't actually need to know all of the maths or fundamental algorithms as much as a machine learning engineer. Yet, many courses kind of miss this part. And so, like I said, I want to find the best 4 that are directly relevant to AI engineering and kind of up to date with where the current market is. With that said, let's get into the first course. The first one, and my top pick, is the Associate AI Engineer for Developers track by DataCamp. For full disclosure, DataCamp are sponsoring this video, but I've literally been recommending their platform for years now, and all views and opinions are my own. The reason this course is top of my list is simply due to how applied it is in learning all the practical concepts of AI engineering in just 26 hours of material. It's also specifically targeted for software developers, which is exactly the way I recommend people to break into AI engineering. AI engineering is not an entry-level position due to how many skills you need. And so I recommend people become a software developer first and then move on to AI engineering. The reason I recommend it is because, like I said at the beginning of the video, AI engineers are software engineers with specialism in AI. And this transition makes the most logical sense and is easiest. And this course or track by DataCamp specifically is targeted for those individuals. And so it's kind of like a no-brainer and a very natural choice for many people looking to break into AI engineering. In this track, you will get to build 3 projects using OpenAI's API, word embeddings, and vector databases. These are the exact tools that all AI engineers use on a day-to-day basis. So you are literally learning the right skills you need for the job. You will also cover other fundamental skills like Hugging Face, prompt engineering, vector databases using Pinecone, and LangChain. There is also a specific LLM ops course, which will teach you how to efficiently, safely, and just best practices when it comes to deploying an LLM or AI app. Most courses don't have this, and this is by far one of the key selling points of the Associate AI Engineer for Developers track. In terms of evaluation, I gave the alignment as 5 out of 5 because it teaches you all the relevant AI engineering skills with 0 to pretty much no fluff that you don't need to know. I gave the interaction as 5 out of 5 because many hands-on exercises, several projects, and overall great teaching quality. I mean, DataCamp is a staple in the industry, so their teaching quality is always excellent. And finally, I gave the value 4 out of 5 because it's approximately $30 with DataCamp's premium plan, so it's not completely free, which I guess stops it from being completely 5 out of 5. Second on the list is IBM's AI Engineering Professional Certificate on Coursera. This is a 13-course certificate that will take you 4 months to complete if you're working about 10 hours a week. You will start by learning machine learning in Python, then how to use PyTorch for deep learning, Move on to AI engineering concepts like fine-tuning, word embeddings, RAG, and the transformer architecture, which powers all of these LLMs. It is extensive, but that's a good and bad thing. It will teach you everything you need to know, even how the maths behind neural networks work. But as I said at the beginning, this information is useful, but is not necessarily needed when it comes to AI engineering, because you don't need to know all the underlying maths. But it is still useful, it's just not exactly the quickest or the most productive thing for you to learn. However, the final project is absolutely fantastic, and it will get you to deploy your own AI app using vector databases, RAG, and LangChain, which are exactly the tools you'll be using as a real-world AI engineer, and also building very similar projects. So it's very much simulating the work you'll do as a professional AI engineer. Now, when it comes to evaluation, I rated the alignment of this course as 4 out of 5. Even though there is a big machine learning and deep learning aspect, the majority of the course is focused. But as I said, it does contain some maths, machine learning topics which are not necessarily needed, hence why 4 out of 5. When it comes to interaction, it's 5 out of 5 because there's many hands-on tutorials, assignments, and materials to support your learning. Coursera is, again, like DataCamp, a leading online education, so their delivery is great. And finally, value. It's approximately $60 a month with the Coursera Plus plan, so it's on the more expensive side when it comes to DataCamp. The third course I recommend is also by DataCamp, and is specifically targeted for data scientists looking to transition into AI engineering. The reason I recommend this course is that even though to become an AI engineer, you're better off starting as a software engineer, many people also start as data scientists. So you can see this one as more of the sister of the associate AI engineering course for developers. This is like the data science counterpart. And like I said, it's mainly for those people who are looking to become AI engineers from currently being data scientists. Like the other DataCamp track, this one focuses on building practical AI engineering skills, including things like fine-tuning, LLMs using Llama 3, integrating AI models with LangChain, and learning MLOps to efficiently deploy AI models into production. You will also learn all the key technologies like vector databases, Hugging Face, and prompt engineering. The only slight downside about this course is that it's a little bit more machine learning engineering focused, which makes sense because the target audience are data scientists. But like I said throughout the video, machine learning engineering is different to AI engineering. So there will be some skills you learn which aren't necessarily exactly relevant, but they're still useful to learn. And it kind of makes sense because to go to AI engineering, which is more of a software discipline, you should really learn machine learning engineering and then kind of make your way across. So it makes logical sense. It's just not the most direct route for the majority of people. When it comes to the evaluation, I rated the alignment as 3 out of 5 because it does teach most, if not all, of the relevant AI engineering content, but there is kind of less than the corresponding developer course, and it also contains a lot of heavy mathematical and theoretical details, which, like I said, is often not needed for AI engineers. The interaction, again, is 5 out of 5. Many hands-on exercises, several projects, and overall great teaching quality. Again, it's a DataCamp course, so the quality of teaching is very high. And finally, value, again, $30 a month. So it's not free, which will stop it to be there, but like it's great value for what you get basically. I mean, $30 is so cheap nowadays for the amount of quality you get from this program. So this course is a little bit different because it's actually a university module and it's therefore a lot more theoretical in nature. The highlight of this course is that you'll be taught by some of the leading practitioners in the field, from companies like DeepMind, OpenAI, Google, Databricks, Meta, Anthropic, and NVIDIA. So you will literally learn from leading practitioners and researchers in this field who are also at the moment doing cutting edge research. So you can see like the amount of knowledge you can get is fantastic. Like the other courses, this one will cover all the fundamentals, such as foundation of LLMs, RAG, and agentic AI. It will even touch upon more advanced and sophisticated areas like reasoning, privacy, safety, and ethics benchmarks. This will all be delivered through 12 lectures, 3 lab assignments, 12 quizzes, and even potentially a hackathon depending on the location or the geography that you currently live in. So there's plenty to do there, and it is structured as a university course. There's also a Discord group that you can join where you can get feedback and support on the problems you are working from. In terms of evaluation, the alignment is 3 out of 5, mainly because it's way more theoretically focused than other courses like DataCamp, but it still does contain many practical elements. Interaction is 3.5 out of 5. As it's a university course, the teaching quality is excellent, but it is subjective to basically the lecturer. And however, there is a lack of hands-on tutorials and direct support compared to other courses. And finally, value. The value is 5 out of 5 because it's free. So yeah, you can't really go wrong. It's free. You don't lose any money taking this course. So that's why it's rated, 5 out of 5 for value. If after watching this video, you're really inspired to become an AI engineer, that is great. Unfortunately, courses don't give you all of the information, prerequisite knowledge that is needed to actually land an AI engineering job in most cases. So if you really want to learn how to become an AI engineer and also land the role, then I recommend you check out this video where I break down the exact steps that you need to follow. I'll see you there.